Trading? This business is such kind of a business. When one person will lose here, then only another person will earn. This is the reality of a market that every trader should know that. If they want to earn, then another person has to lose. Everyone has a dream that their capital should be 10x, 20x in trading. But the reality is, only a few people can achieve this target. Only a few traders are consistently profitable in this market. Have you ever think that why? Every trader, every people can't achieve this. Have you ever think that why? Many people blow their multiple accounts to achieve this target. Have you ever think why many people, many traders blow their multiple accounts in multiple times? Because they trade in a hope. They trade in a greed. They think that by taking high risk in their small account, by taking high risk, their capital will grow very fast. Their account will be 10x, 20x, 50x in a quick shortcut way, and they will be rich very fast. By taking multiple trades in a day, or by taking trades in high impact news, just like CPI and NFP, they think that they will capture big move. They will multiply their account in these types of news. Sometimes it works. Definitely market move in their favor, but most of the time they blow their multiple accounts. By having these types of hopes and hallucination, so don't be hope in this market. Market doesn't care about what you think. Market only care about what you've seen. So instead of having hope, focus on process, follow a trading plan, and feel what market wants to say. Notice on thinking of your brain, what it reacts when you enter into the trade, what it reacts when you execute a trade. Does it panic or having a fear? If it has a problem, then focus on solving that problem, because market is all about your behavioral reflection. What you think, what you react when you see the charts. These candlesticks, all are the reaction of the human behavior. Someone sell in panic or someone buy in FOMO. It was only those trader will successful in this market who have a simple strategy, who are stick on discipline, who have calm and peaceful mind, and have a trading plan. Because in the past 3 months before, I have also made this same mistakes, and I also blown multiple accounts because of hope, because of hallucination. So my motive of making this video is to aware people from these mistakes. My motive is to give clear direction to the fresheners who are the new in this market. I hope at least you will not repeat these mistakes. Mention in the comment box that yes, I will not repeat these mistakes in my life and trading journey. So very, very thankful you that you have watched this video until end. Thank you so much.